Hello guy, today I gonna show you how I got unlimited coins on Meganovel, then I want to show you how I got it. So all you have to do is follow all my tutorial that I'm going to show in this video and you will get unlimited coins and cashes. I mean is coins for free guy and every day. Firstly, all of you just need to open any browser or Safari that you had in your device. And then after open you should be typing this website name 88xcode.com, and then you are going to website. In this video I gonna choose app mod to go Meganovel, then we need searching Meganovel to see Meganovel slot. After that you can click start to enter. Now you are in Meganovel online generator. So what you gonna do is typing your usernames and select your device. Then click connect to continue to another step. Please waiting a few seconds. Then you can see amount of coins. Then choose how many that you want to generate to your account. In this step we recommend choose a biggest slot to get unlimited at all. Now please waiting few seconds for setup and generate to your account. Don't move or go back to outside or closing your screen. In this step, it is very important step per verify you are not a robot by clicking this verify button. Now you need to complete this last step. Guy, please complete a task from this list. Or here you can see the AI support chat you can ask for explain. If you have problem you can watching final step video. It can tell you how to complete those all tasks. It is easily. After you complete it, it is automatically generate coins into your account. Congratulations, now you get unlimited coins on your Meganovel account. But don't forget to watch and follow the final step video tutorial to unlock your resources. I hope you guys happy with this video tutorial. Have fun guy. Good luck and I see you in the next video. Bye.